Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LGCY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and huge volume today. I made the alert on this one in the chat room at 18 cents this morning. So for those members of the chat room, congratulations. Absolutely crushed it on this one. So yeah, 18 cents. And so plenty of wiggle room, just because, like I said, this thing was an absolute monster. But overall, let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out, as there's plenty of eyeballs that are going to be watching this one going forward. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? And that would be if the price can stay up above 50 cents. With that being said, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that if the price falls below 50, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 50 cents, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this former breakout point, and that sits around 35 cents. So 50 cents and then 35, two of the near-term levels. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 50 would be great, but as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Initial level of resistance going to be right up here at 70 cents, and if the price can push through there, then it doesn't mean it's going to shoot straight up there, but technically speaking, there are just no other areas of resistance until where the price officially stopped today, and that was up there at 83 cents. So keep an eye on these couple levels of resistance, but as of right now, resistance levels don't matter a whole lot. What matters the most, at least in my opinion, is just starting to go through some healthy consolidations and chipping away and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being built over time, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on chipping away with some higher bases and sit back and let's see if this trend can start to build upon itself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.